Thanks for joining me on this cruise in the 2023 BMW X1 point of view. We're going to take it through some gears. Speaking of the gears, you have a new dual clutch, a 7-speed dual clutch with paddle shifters here. Entry into the X1 space is about 40,000, and that's standard with all-wheel drive, navigation. Now it is the 2-liter 4-cylinder we have here in the BMW X1. However, it's up 13 horsepower to 241, and that's more than the GLB from Mercedes, and a quicker 0 to 60 time in 5.4 seconds from the publications that you're reading about the X1, but BMW listed it as 6.2. So I'm going to drop the transmission into sport and my dynamic driving modes into sport. So let's go for a ride and I'll take you through the gears. No problem getting going whatsoever. Sounds great too. Nice and linear torque pull. It is a front bias setup here in the X1 still. Now, dual clutches operate a little bit differently than your conventional automatic. It's almost like you can feather the throttle and treat it like a manual without the clutch. So you can give it gas and almost feather the accelerator pedal and then just lean into it, and it'll be like an automated manual, to where you can let off the accelerator after first gear, let it get into second gear, and just treat it with the thoughts of a manual. And I just like that a lot. So some people might not be used to it, and usually it does offer better performance. And more so sought after in a performance car. So with entry into the X1 for about 40,000, you'll have standard the all-wheel drive system, 18-inch wheels, ambient lighting in the interior, and navigation. performance, practicality, a premium brand offering you the free maintenance. It's a pretty darn good value if you're looking to get into the BMW space. Now the paddle shifters are along with the M Sport package, but the M Sport package is going to get you the color keyed elements like the wheel arches for whatever color you choose. This being in portable. So the M Sport package is going to include the paddle shifters I keep talking about, but then you also have it inclusive of the adaptive M suspension, so it'll take whatever you're given it and adjust accordingly as far as the suspension is concerned and the feel of the ride. Now the paddle shifters are inside of the M Sport package, but that's also going to color key the wheel arches and moldings on the exterior for whichever color you choose. This is Portimao Blue Metallic, and then it's also going to include inside the M Sport package the adaptive M suspension. So whatever you're giving it as far as ride and since this one is equipped with the M Sport package, that is going to allow you to get the paddle shifters as well as the exterior accompaniments of color keyed . Now the paddle shifters are included with the M Sport package, which this is equipped with, also color keying the wheel arch moldings and offering you the adaptive M suspension, which takes whatever you're given the car. Say you're taking it deep into a corner or an exit, it's going to adjust that accordingly to ride comfort. Here is a look at the M Sport seats. Nice stitching, and this is an Alcantara finish. Nice M Sport logos there, all the way to the headrest on that with the black headliner. Looks really good. Nice thick steering wheel, M Sport. You can do a 3D view, so you can move the camera around the car. Very cool tech. I can also start backup assistant, and it'll tell me to select the reverse, and it will move the wheel. All I got to do is give it gas, and it's going to put me right back where I came from. Of course, that would be helpful in case you were pulling into a tight parking spot and were uneasy about backing it out of that spot. That would help out a lot. Here is a look at the back seat. A lot of leg room. The X1's always been good at that. Power outlets. Your cup holders are usually found in the armrest, but you have some map pockets or holders for notebooks or iPads, big panoramic moonroof. So power tailgate is also standard on the X1. This offers so much space for a small SUV like this is. You do have a temporary spare because there is no more run flat on the X1. Also power outlet if you're tailgating, camping, or concerts. Always love those. This one has a first aid kit with it and instructions for opening the tailgate with your foot. Still, one of my favorite features for BMW is the keyless access or comfort access. You can press the unlock button, hold it, it'll roll down the windows and even open the moonroof to let the air waft out before you get in. Now if you decide not to get in the vehicle, simply press the ridges right here and hold, and it'll roll them all up for you so that you don't have to get inside the car and turn on the vehicle. Well, thanks for taking a look at the all-new 2023 BMW X1. This is at BMW Crystal Lake. You can test drive now to form your own opinion about the X1, but I really do think it offers a practicality in a premium space. Not only do you get free maintenance that the Mercedes doesn't offer, you get better performance. So have a great day, safe travels, and thanks for watching.